just got through crazy combat trial. And we're going to see while thinking about fighting.
I want you to tell me your lore. Kill me. Bruce version if you can.
5 sentences.
I'm not going to let you get time to think. Tell it to me, Bluff.
Why are you overthinking?
Who are you?
My name is Roland David.
Where are you from?
I'm from a shard of Sylas, founded by one of the Watchers of the Suns. Great!
Who are you?
I am the son of two that should not be.
Why have you come here?
Why were you
Come on.
Why was I
Who are
created?
you?
Because even in the weakest of circumstances, love can find a way. Even between two that have been born to kill each other.
What's your mission?
The Suns can prove that not all is lost.
What are we for?
What was that?
What are we for?
Balance.
Okay! What are we for?
Do you not know what you're fighting for?
Great! Great! Fight for each other.
As well as ourselves.
Great! Pick up your weapon.
When does our duty end?
When we die.
When you die, I won't stop the whole singer.
Great! Alright.
And hope to continue.
Now, left up. You can always remember.
How is that
You only
We have met the Hobbit, Keeper. We have Ned, descendant of God. We have Phoebes.
great!
Both bear born of the desert. Chaos. We have Kraken. All are different. We have Hassan. Who I'm starting to know much more about. And we have Wesley.
Joe?
I've already called for you. And Draco.
Really?
You're missing one, dummy.
Really?
Saving your best for last. We have Roland David.
Alright. Now find me to end your sense of torment. No! 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 No!
Stronger, more ways than one. Beat his ass.
Come on. There you go. There you go. All right, now when you're done.
Down with the
There
deck.
you go. Come on.
No! I'm not.
I really accept that either.
Come on.
Now kiss.
I will accept a kill or a clean pin.
I will accept a kiss. I mean, they're not really wrong.
Dead!
Remembrance. Sorry.
Excuse you.
Juking all over yourself.
Apologize.
Apologies. Anywho. So thus far we've been through pretty awful mental and physical trials. And at this point, we spent most of the night trying to come up with something in the effort to try and break your spirit. As far as I'm concerned, we've already hit that 2 or 3 times.
One more for good measure.
Yeah, I mean, just icing on the cake at this point. So So I'm not gonna make you fight with that. Like, fuck that. It's dumb. You're already gonna be dead tonight. But in the effort of remembering lore and stories and putting old demons to rest, so to speak. And this is entirely your fault for bringing it up earlier. Bluffington!
Bluffington!
Yes, Master! Show us the way!
Is that how you stand? Is that good posture, Bluffington?
I'm sorry, Master!
What was your shoes, Bluffington? What have you done to yourself?
I was fighting in the mud, proving myself to the best people in the world. Did you succeed, Bluffington? That is for others to decide, not myself, but I thought I did a damn good job, sir. Do you feel worthy? I've never felt more worthy in my life.
Bluffington, you've gone and soiled your tunic. How will you amend this?
I will clean it as soon as I am able to, sir.
Appease yourself, man! Dance for us! Dance for us!
Why? My legs hurt, sir.
Bluffington, why are you complaining in front of your betters?
Tell us a joke, Bluffington. Really,
Tell us a
Bluffington?
joke,
Stop
Bluffington!
dancing and tell a joke. We said tell us a joke.
I gotta keep dancing. No one said stop, sir. I'm thinking of a
Tell
joke.
a joke and dance, Bluffington.
Don't think, tell us a joke.
Dance. So, a couple weeks ago, a pig went into a camp, drunk 18 beers, and chased around a cow. But he never caught the cow. Why is that?
Why?
It was a Kawasaki.
Oh.
You dance extra for that one.
Get your arms into it, Bluffington. Don't drop your tea towel, Bluffington.
Go get me tea, Bluffington.
Where?
All right. And I hope that's on camera, because that's never...
That whole thing was on camera.
Of course. Bluffington has now been laid to rest. That poor butler danced his little soul out
And
died on this
the
trial
internet.
field. Bluff, are you going to take the final step? On your feet. You know what this gold rope symbolizes?
It is the bond we all share with Sylas, right?
It is. It is the weight that we wear to remind us of our service. And we wear it at all times to keep our remembrance of that there is another tie that this rope reminds us of. The knot.
That's our fate, isn't it?
Yes, but woven in with that is an inescapable bond that we all share. A very dark bond. One that you have known and tasted, and that all who walk the road of initiation know and taste. Because in all of us, a shard of Zalen remains in Sylas, connected to his soul. And in that, there is a darkness that comes to all of us that we all must stand and face. You took it because you could not defend it. Because this piece of your past that you couldn't hold on to, that you couldn't bear. And you know why you lost it? Because you just reached out and just come back. You realize the kind of power that comes with having a demon fused to you. Because it's the great thing is that once you start, once you learn that way, once you slave the first soul to your will, chance binding fast it's so wonderful to have enough subtle spirit essence of this creature that ought never be tamed. That powers outstanding. It's still there. Still resides with you. And you hide it away and you pray, oh no, please, let this horrible thing never come back. Bullshit! It will always come back. It will always be part of you. Because regardless of how we walk, how we talk, all the courtesies and pleasantries that we make, and all of these laws and rules and chains that we bind ourselves with, there is only one chain that you should ever hold, and that is the one that you throw around another's neck. Right now, and snare that demon to your will. And after that, why not?
All life should be free to themselves. Whether or not it's always be. Call itself back on itself. Stay.
Brothers, masters, all ambitions. Let's so have it. Crawl through the mud, if you will.
Rather crawl through the mud than walk on someone's back.
Change will always be.
Such is my personality.
I ask that all the members of the Sons of Sylas come up and stand beside me.
So go
To my sides. Bluff. Roland Damon. When you and I first met and started hanging out and running, and the way that we killed all those miles was telling more. And I was giddy when you asked me. I think your exact words were, so where do I sign up? And since then you have been working at it hard, and none of us are perfect. We all have road bumps in our life. I mean, this unit knows that. All of us have. It seems like some years we're just playing roulette with who is going to have a pile of shit land on them that month. But we come through it together. So we're family. So we love each other. It's because we love you, because you're such a wonderful guy, because you were willing to bust your ass, to dig deep, heart, body, soul. And now, kneel with you. And I ask that you rise with me, an initiated member of the Sons of Sylas. No longer journeyman, but fit to bear the title. Will you?
Haven't showered in 3 days.
Okay, we're coming in.
I'll step out. All right.
Wait. One more.
And after that, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone gathered here, I present to you Roland Damon, Bluff, the newest initiated member of the Sons of Sylas.
Hail!
Give this man a hug and a bottle of water.
But don't smell. Just don't breathe.
Thank you so much.